How to find answers fast using the OnePay Help Center. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your browser and go to onepay.com. Then you need to scroll down to the bottom of the home page, and there you'll find Help Center under Resources. Just tap on it, and here you'll find all of the popular articles and all the FAQs that are separated by categories. You can just tap on it, and then you can find the answers to your questions. So it's as simple as that. You can even search for keyword and phrase, and then you can find answers in just few minutes. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.